is significant. Are we seeing the same results on the tablet, Dr. Priya?
Yes, the boundary layer separation matches the wind tunnel data. Operates right here on the side pod.
I see it. The efficiency drop matches the data.
Peaks right here at turn 12.
Confirmed. The trailing edge measurement is within tolerance.
Excessive deflection on the rear suspension mount under load.
Let's run the simulation again with the updated carbon fiber specs.
Battery module 3.
Confirmed. Routing the orange high voltage line now.
Peaking at 7,000.
Yes, and the EGTs on cylinder 3 are climbing too fast.
We need to abort the run if it hits the limit.
Down to the smallest bearing is meticulously installed by hand, often taking hours for a single gearbox.
Here we see the carbon motor. Here we see the cylinders. They sense it being the balancing machine and sheen ensures that
of the carbon fiber is paramount before the sheets are meticulously laid into the complex molds.
Now.
Clear on the left side, ready to latch.
Slowly, watch the clearance on the left. Got it, it's seated. Confirmed. Proceed with torquing.
Steady at 2000 RPM. Check the thermal mapping on Sector 3.